guys, my name is Leda Fazal. I own Tone Hair Salon in Raleigh, North Carolina. And today we are doing a very special great blending. And it's special because I see everybody coining great blending terms. And I've been doing this, especially on TikTok, from the very beginning. And I've been doing great blending like the way I do for years. So I'm gonna call it, dun, 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 dun. Everybody ready? The Afghani blend. Yeah, so I am half Afghani. Daddy, if you're watching this, you're gonna be so proud. He's full Afghani. So we are gonna call it the Afghani gray blending blend. Something like that. Anyways, what's special about what I do, and you are here because of it, is...
Oh, are you talking to me?
Your turn. Great blending, right? But remember when we had our first consultation, I don't touch the grays?
Right.
What did you think about that?
I thought that was the best thing that I had heard from anyone that I had watched on social media, because it seemed pointless to let it grow out and then do something to it.
Thank you. I love that. That makes me so proud and happy, because you have no idea how many stylists or people even come after me after that. And I'm like, no, you don't understand. Like this right here, I can't create that beautiful blend without putting highlights or lowlights up here. You're gonna mess that up. Then she's gonna have to spend another year growing this out. This was how many months?
This is about 10 months.
10 months of growth. So I'm not gonna take that away from her, because her goal is to eventually not be in the salon, right?
Right.
Okay, so we are today going to do a Afghani gray blending, okay? And I'm gonna show you guys the way I do it. And here's what's special about when you come see me in Tone Hair Salon in Raleigh, North Carolina. You're my only client for the day. I only take, when I have my gray blendings, you're the only one. Then, 𝗧𝒢𝗢, Becca. I've also got 2 assistants working with me to make sure everything is beautiful and on point, and that you leave fully thrilled. Excited?
Yes.
You got 3 people that will be working on your head. Okay? All right, let's get this party started. Okay, guys, so what I'm going to do is using 𝗲𝗂𝗄𝒅, okay? 𝗲𝗂𝗄𝒅. I'm going to start off with just 6 volume, because her hair is already light, but if I just put a toner on her, she'd be back in 4 weeks, and it just wouldn't really solve the problem. She wants to look more kind of blonde silver for this visit as her hair grows out. We're not going to go like straight up make her white and then put a silver toner on her. She's not looking for that. She is looking for more of like a blonde silver, otherwise known as an Afghani blend. Such dork. Okay. Here we go. We always measure, okay? We always measure, and we only do 1 scoop at a time. You heard? Okay. 6, 7, 20. That's 40, and about that. Okay. See you at the boil.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you
is fully boiled. I am doing little tip outs here, just to give her a little more pop, but we're gonna let this sit. I used a combination of 6 through 20 on her hair, because she had a few different shades of orange and yellow and stuff like that. So we are gonna get her to a nice clean canvas. I only touched her root around the front just to give her a little bit of a money piece pop. Everybody loves a little bit of brightness around the front of their hairline. Once she is fully rinsed out, I might end up doing like a little bit of like a shadow root, little color melt from her root, which is about a level 7. into the white blonde that I'm creating, so it's a nice gradual, she won't have to ever come back. Yeah, okay.
Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long.
Isn't that awesome?
Yeah, and you know what? I don't think I want it any more cut like it.
Yeah, you like the length, everything? Perfect. Okay, good. I'm gonna show everybody the back of her hair too. Look at that. So that's so blended. You know, she has more of that, a lot of yellow going on. So we had to highlight it. We couldn't just slap a toner on there. The good thing is we lifted her to a really pretty vanilla blonde in the sink, and the icing was just the toner was just the icing on the cake, okay? It wasn't even barely needed. So I know this is gonna grow out beautifully. I know this is our last visit. It's always so bittersweet, but she got, you know, a very blended look. You wanna look down for me? You see how your roots are still there, but they're really nice and blended. There's no harsh line. So this is gonna grow out really, really nicely. If you ever did want to get anything done, I would just get some highlights in the front. And you know, you could do that in Georgia. She's from Georgia, so you know, you don't have to come up here. I'd love to see you again. Do not let them put any type of color on your hair, and tell them you lift slow, and you go low and slow so it doesn't break your hair, okay? But yeah, that's all I would ever do if needed at all.
Great.
Okay?
Looks great.
Awesome. So this is the, I'm coining it, the Afghani gray blending.
I'm expecting this.
Is it everything you thought it would be? And more?
Yeah, it is. It is. It looks great.
Awesome, awesome. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for coming all the way up here. Let me get your mirror so you can see what the back looks like too. Gonna hold that for me.
Yeah, because it'll be very here. So the goal is to let your hair grow in. Basically what I did was help it grow back.
So everything was just highlighted just on your, you know, existing where you had color. Okay, so nothing was touched with your roots other than those little baby lights in the front. But that's about it. So do you want to do the curly side around?
That's the multiplying light and streaking.
Now you're in a predicament.
No, I think that's good. I'm good. I'm doing good. It's perfect.
Okay, beautiful. All right, well, thank you again for visiting us, and I'm glad you love your...
I do. I love it. Thank you.
Yay.
Thank you so much.
You're so welcome. Okay,